Hey YouTube, it's Sam. She's gonna burp in the street.
Oh, that was weak.
Stand right there because you can't see in this lighting. Nope, right there, further on the street. Right here. There. I told you you wouldn't be able to do it.
I will. I'm just gonna make it seem like I don't know.
The battery's gonna die soon. Keep going. Got a minute to go. Brady's right there. Yeah. He's going to be able to hear him as loud as you can. He's going to get so mad. Do a really loud one right in his direction. It's only a matter of time before he yells, "Shut up, whore," out the window. I'm waiting to see if anyone yells.
I'm waiting to see if somebody else comes outside.
You have to do them louder, a lot louder. How can you do that?
I don't know.
Wow.
I'll keep going, don't worry. Oh, I have to pee.
Oh, it's okay. YouTube doesn't mind.
I'm not peeing out here.
Oh, car's coming. Very burp really loud. Get her. Burp when they go, 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 go. Again. You're on a roll. You've never done this much. I'd only like to see what Sam's like when she's drunk.
Ugh.
She burps this bad now. Oh, let's put her right. Let's get a close up in the dark so then they can hear it louder. I mean a normal one. What the hell was that?
Why aren't they coming now?
Because it's a close-up, that's why. That's better. One more.
No, I'll do more. I'll do more.
No one's going to be able to sleep. Keep going.
I'll do more.
Okay. He's gonna get so pissed. Let's go a little bit closer. If you just stay in that lighting. Wait, actually, if you just stay to the side, I can still get you in. Okay, now we're closer. Ew. Oh, God.
Hey, hold on. Here we go.
This is the most you've ever done. Ooh, another car.
And it takes 2 minutes.
Hey, if a car comes this time, we're not getting out of the street. You're gonna burp and then we move. Oh, Birdie's getting up. I see him. I can see him moving. Keep going. Right there. Perfect. Go. Oh, I see Katie running around. They're listening. Go, go, go.
Hold on. End it. I'm not feeling it.
Okay, bye YouTube. That's all you get for the day.